Hi, this is Karthik. In this class, we'll understand NodeJs installation and how to start NodeJs server and access it. NodeJs is an event-driven programming language for web servers. Installing NodeJs. Sudo apt update is the first command. This command will update package index and not the package itself. To update the package with latest version, you need to use apt-get install command. Sudo apt update. Next is sudo apt install node.js. This command will install the latest version of node.js. Node.js is already in the newest version, as I have already downloaded it before recording this video. So to check the node version, we have to use node-v, which is 12.22.9. Next, we have to install npm. It is used to install modules and packages to use with Node.js. For Ubuntu, we have apt-get, and for macOS, we have brew. Similarly, we use npm for Node.js. So sudo install npm. Now as this is done, we have to create a project folder and app.js file. You can get this test code from the GitHub, which is linked below in the description. So I'll copy this and paste it here. Enter. So now if I do ls, we can see app.js. To start the node server, we have to use node app.js and ampersand symbol. The ampersand symbol is nothing but it runs the server in the background. So I'll paste it here and enter. So now if I go to 192.168.0.240 and colon 3000. 3000 is the port and 192.168.0.240 is my IP address. You can find your IP address by using fconfig. If fconfig doesn't work, you can use IP space A. So as you can see, 192.168.0.240 is my IP address. So now if I hit enter, you can see the hello world. So that is how you create a basic Node.js file. Thank you for watching this video.